Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime not working in iPhone iOS 16. So if you have recently updated your iPhone to the latest version, but now the FaceTime is not working, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So first of all guys, make sure that you have a working internet connection. So if you are using cellular or Wi-Fi, make sure that your internet connection is working. So you can go to YouTube or Safari browser and check if their internet connection is working. So once you have made sure that internet connection is working, then you can move to the next step. So the next step is make sure that FaceTime works in your country. You can, if you don't know, you can Google. You can Google by your country. So as you can see, they will let you know that if the FaceTime is working or not. So as you can see, in the United Arab Emirates, FaceTime isn't available. So for make sure that FaceTime works in your country. So once you have made sure, and the next step is make sure that you update your iPhone. So you can go, if you have installed the beta, so you can remove the beta and install the latest update. So go to the software update section and see if there is update. So if there is any update available, make sure that you download and install this update in your iPhone. So once you've done this, the next step is go to date and time and make sure that set automatically is turned on. And after this, the last step is, so if you have tried all these steps and none of them are working, then go to iPhone setting, click on general, click on transfer reset, click on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode. You won't lose any of your data by resetting this network setting. This will fix the problem. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.